Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best unscented lip balm is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential products in your skincare routine. While many enjoy the added flavors and scents, an unscented option provides a pure, hypoallergenic experience perfect for sensitive skin and those seeking a simple, effective moisturizer for their lips, free from potential irritants or allergic reactions. Today, we will explore the top unscented lip balms available, comparing their moisturizing properties, longevity, and overall effectiveness to help you find the perfect match for your needs. Number 5. O'Keeffe's Lip Repair Balm. Introducing O'Keeffe's Lip Repair Balm, the ultimate solution for extremely dry and cracked lips. It's a powerful moisturizer that provides long-lasting relief and helps seal your lips. This lip balm is specially formulated with a blend of 7 powerful moisturizing ingredients. It works to heal, relieve, and repair even the driest, most damaged lips. Experience guaranteed relief from extremely dry, cracked lips. It's a potent moisturizer that delivers intense hydration and long-lasting comfort. It instantly boosts and retains moisture levels, providing long-term lip care. Say goodbye to dry, cracked lips and hello to soft, healthy-looking lips. It creates a flexible, multi-layer barrier that moves with your lips, providing all-day protection. This keeps your lips shielded from the elements. It's hypoallergenic and safe for people with diabetes. The convenient travel size makes it easy to take your lip care on the go. What we like? It provides long-lasting, intense moisture. If you have extremely dry, cracked lips that need serious repair, this is your solution. Its hypoallergenic formula is also suitable for sensitive skin. What people say? The balm has a thick, creamy texture that coats the lips well, providing long-lasting moisture and protection throughout the day. After just a few applications, you'll notice a significant improvement in the texture and smoothness of your lips. It's non-irritating, which is great for those who may have sensitivities to fragrances or other additives. The unscented nature also makes it a versatile option for both men and women. The tube is compact, making it easy to carry around in your bag or pocket for on-the-go relief. Number 4. Moroccan Magic Lip Balm 3-Pack. It's the same great formula you love, without any added fragrance. Enjoy all the moisturizing benefits of organic argan oil and other natural ingredients. This lip balm is made with premium organic ingredients like sunflower oil, beeswax, and argan oil. It's deeply nourishing and helps plump your lips. It's free from chemicals, fillers, and petroleum. It's safe for kids and adults with even the most sensitive skin. This lip balm glides on smoothly, providing instant relief for dry or chapped lips. The velvety texture feels luxurious. It's made with a non-toxic formula, free from harmful chemicals and artificial additives. And it's never been tested on animals. What we like? This balm is 100% USDA certified organic. If you are looking for a natural and smooth lip balm made with organic ingredients, this is the perfect choice for you. It's also safe for all ages, including kids and toddlers. What people say? It does a decent job of hydrating my dry lips. It does not smell so my food doesn't taste like my lip balm. It has no color so it goes with everything, and is a good base for my lip gloss and lipsticks. Silky smooth, nice staying power, very hydrating and no weird chemicals. This product goes on very smoothly and left my lips the softest they've ever been. It's moisturizing and already healed the dryness my lips were feeling. Number 3. Portland Bee Balm Lip Balm. Introducing a lip balm crafted with care in the Pacific Northwest. It's all natural and made with beeswax, soothing and moisturizing your lips. This balm is made with love, using only the finest natural ingredients. Experience the difference of a truly pure product. We use beeswax from local Pacific Northwest hives and carefully sourced organic ingredients. It's the perfect blend for healthy, happy lips. Enjoy the light beeswax aroma with our unscented balm. It has everything you need and nothing you don't. We're proud to support the Portland Urban Beekeepers Association. 1% of our revenue goes towards helping people connect with nature through beekeeping. Try Portland Bee Balm and feel the difference of a truly natural and effective lip balm. Your lips will thank you. What we like? It's an all-natural beeswax-based balm. If you appreciate simple, pure products made with locally sourced ingredients, you'll love this lip balm. Plus, a portion of the proceeds supports local beekeepers. What people say. All natural product made from PNW beeswax that works great keeping your lips from drying out. I've been using this unscented one and it keeps my lips moisturized, and lasts quite a while, so I'm not reapplying it every few minutes. I like that the ingredients are healthy, no chemicals. It feels great, smells faint and just like beeswax. Even if you lick your lips, not very much gets on your tongue. It doesn't melt in my pocket, but it does get soft. It lasts a long time, and it's only 3 ingredients: beeswax and 2 different oils, which is also great. Number 2. Kind Lips Organic Lip Balm. It's completely fragrance-free, so it won't irritate sensitive skin. This makes it perfect for anyone with allergies or for use in the workplace. It's made with USDA-certified organic ingredients like beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter. These provide deep hydration without parabens or phthalates. It's clinically gentle and non-toxic, dermatologist-friendly, and safe for all ages, even babies. It's perfect for even the most severely dry or chapped lips. It was never tested on animals and comes in recyclable packaging. It's clean beauty you can feel good about. Its lightweight formula soothes and nourishes dry, chapped lips without feeling heavy or greasy. Enjoy long-lasting hydration. What we like. This balm is organic and hydrating. If you have sensitive skin and prefer a non-greasy, hydrating lip balm, this is a great option. It's also cruelty-free and comes in recyclable packaging. What people say. Moisturizers and stays on. I have sensitive skin and lips and tried several lip balms. This one is a keeper. I really like Kind Lips. They feel nice and creamy on my lips, not sticky or slimy. I love this lip balm. I'm allergic to several cosmetic products and this one has clean ingredients that I can use. The quality is great. Number 1. Organic Lip Balm 2-pack. It's crafted with pure jojoba oil and beeswax, sourced directly from our farm. Enjoy a simple, authentic balm made to moisturize and protect your lips with clean, organic ingredients. With 70% organic jojoba oil, it absorbs quickly, supporting your skin's natural moisture barrier. It provides moisture without greasiness, perfect for dry lips. The entire process is controlled, delivering unrefined, quality ingredients without artificial additives or preservatives. Experience a light beeswax aroma with a hint of nutty jojoba oil. Its compact size fits easily in your bag or pocket for quick application. This 2-pack ensures you always have one on hand, keeping your lips moisturized. Our direct-from-the-farm approach provides quality lip care at a reasonable price. Carefully selected ingredients without unnecessary additives keep it accessible while maintaining organic purity. What we like. It's made with 70% organic jojoba oil. If you value purity and deep moisture without any fillers or additives, this is the balm for you. The travel-ready size is perfect for keeping your lips moisturized on the go. What people say. Fabulously smooth. Glides on. Long-lasting. Pure and simple ingredients. It really moisturizes well and is truly unscented, which is wonderful. It's a healthier alternative to petroleum-based. It's unscented and tasteless, which I appreciate. And it's lasted a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.